So take a look at this. Man, that looks delicious. Smells delicious. Oh man, look at that. Grease is dripping all over. Butter's melting. Cheese is melting. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we are gonna make our take on smash burgers, and we're cooking them on the Griddle Hack for the Green Mountain wood pellet grill. So check out what we're using and I'll show you how we're doing it. Now we're using 85% lean beef today. Normally I use 80, but this was on sale today, so I'm gonna try it out. I've never used 85% lean beef, so we're gonna try it out. But use 80%, use 70%, whatever you like best, whatever's on sale at the store. We're gonna use a tomato, cheese. We're gonna slice our own cheese. I don't like pre-sliced cheese. And we're gonna take these buns. We're gonna butter both sides of the bun. We're gonna put some garlic powder on it, and we're gonna toast it on the griddle. So let's get these patties made. All right, so what a lot of people do is they're gonna take this and make a real tight ball. That's really not the best way to make a hamburger. It's best to take it loose like this. Just kind of put it down on here. I use two small plates, and just smash it. Now this is gonna be a good sized burger, but look at that. So again, I put this on here. Now you got those nice rough edges. Oh, it's not a perfect round burger, but that's a smash burger. We just smash it. Now when this cooks, that's real loose. It's not packed real dense, so you're gonna be able to get the edges real crispy, and that's what we really want, is the crispy edges and that nice sear. So let's get our plates out of the way, get our garbage out of the way. Now, as I mentioned, these are some good sized burgers. So what we're gonna do is I like putting on a little bit of garlic powder and season these the way you like. Good old standby for me is Lowry seasoned salt. So I like it. You can use regular salt, pepper if you want. And here's another thing I like to do is minced onions. I know this is 85% lean and there's not a whole lot of fat, but this is a dehydrated minced onion. So as this cooks, the onion is actually going to absorb some of the juices. And by juices, I mean fat. And that's the tastiest part of this. So the fat is basically what's going to rehydrate these onions. So I have the Green Mountain Griddle Hack getting warmed up right now. We're going to heat it to 350 degrees so we can sear these burgers real nice. While we're waiting for that to finish heating up, we're gonna get the buns ready and we're gonna slice our cheese. All right, so my wife just let me know that she wants a patty melt, so we're gonna use just regular bread for her sandwich, but we are gonna need to butter one side. That's what helps us get that nice golden brown. So we're gonna butter that, butter this guy, and we're gonna get one side, the inside of each of the buns here. Now on a patty melt, we're not gonna put garlic powder on, but we want that nice garlicky flavor out of this toasted bun. So we are going to take more garlic powder and just put on the inside there. Now let's slice our cheese. Now, as you've seen in many of my other videos, I have this really cool cheese slicer. So it's specifically designed for slicing cheese. It's got the holes in the knife so it doesn't get stuck halfway through. Look at that, nicely sliced. All right, I think we're ready to get these patties on the grill. And last but not least, we're gonna slice our tomato. Alrighty, let's get these burgers on the grill. Oh yeah, look at that, that's hot. Alright, I'm cooking those, seasoning and onion side down so the juices on the underside can really hydrate those. One mistake a lot of people do, press down on that burger. You're pressing juices out of there. You never want to do that. So we're going to leave these cooked just like this, and I don't think it's going to be long. All right, these have been on about 3 minutes. Let's give them a check here. Oh yeah, those are sizzling up real nice. I think we're going to go ahead and flip these. Oh, look at that. Nice sear on there. Look how nice and dark that is around the edges. I flipped them like that because I want to use the hot spots of the grill and make sure I get a good sear. We're going to put our cheese on right now, and we're putting our bread on. All right, while that cheese is melting and that burger's cooking, a couple more minutes, oh yeah, look at that. So we're gonna get our bread off. Oh, that's nice and toasted. Look at that. I'll leave that on another second. And while we're waiting here, I'm gonna go ahead and get a little mayo on here. And get a little ketchup. At the top of our bun. So I'm gonna put that on top there, just so that we can get a little on both sides. And we're gonna garnish with tomatoes. Ready for our burger. All right, I think that burger's perfect. All right, so we got our sandwich fully made up right there. Look at that. Nice. That's just beautiful right there. That's a portrait. So there's really only one thing left to do, and that's taste it. All right, I am sitting right next to the grill. While my wife's patty melt is finishing, I don't want my hamburger getting cold. So take a look at this. Man, that looks delicious. Smells delicious. And oh, by the way, I want to mention one thing. I am wearing different clothes. When I watch a movie, I hate when I see bad editing and you're like, wait, they were just wearing that shirt and now they're wearing a different color shirt, or that button was buttoned and now it's not buttoned. So I just want to let you know, while the grill was warming up, I changed into some more comfortable clothes. So I did this on purpose. But check this out. So let's taste this burger. Oh man, look at that. Grease is dripping all over, butter's melting. Cheese is melting. Look at that. Perfectly cooked burger. Wow, I can't eat this fast enough. Look at that cheese. Just dripping. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Let me take my sip of my Jack and Coke here. You can't grill without having a drink. All right, well, I think I'm gonna finish this burger. Thanks for tuning in. Click that thumbs up, like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and you'll get notifications when I post new videos. Have a great day. Thanks for stopping.